Ever been hit with a massive car repair bill? That gut punch feeling when the number has way too many zeros? We've all been there. What if I told you there are 9 secrets mechanics don't want you to know? That could save you a whopping $2,720 a year? That's not a typo. We did the math. And you don't need to be a genius or have expensive tools to do it. First up, the oil change. Mechanics love this one. They charge $70 to $120 for a quick routine job. But changing your own oil is surprisingly easy. It's like a rite of passage for any car owner. Old, dirty oil out. Fresh, clean oil in. That's it. The whole process takes about 30 minutes once you get the hang of it. Save $60 each time, twice a year. That's $120 back in your pocket. Next, your tires. A new set can cost $500 to over $1,000. Mechanics charge $30 to $50 for tire rotation. But you can do this with basic tools that cost less than 2 professional rotations. Front tires wear faster because they handle steering and power. This simple act extends tire life by thousands of miles, saving about $100 yearly. Another 30-minute job that builds confidence and saves real money. This next one is so easy it almost feels like cheating. Engine air filter replacement. Mechanics charge $50 to $75. But on most cars, this takes literally 2 minutes and requires 0 tools. Don't forget the cabin air filter, the one that cleans the air you breathe. If your AC smells funky, this is the #1 suspect. $40 in parts saves you over $100 in shop fees. It's a no-brainer. Your car's fluids are its lifeblood. Keeping them topped off is the easiest preventative maintenance. Check your oil level every few weeks. Just pull the dipstick, wipe it, reinsert and read. Coolant prevents overheating and freezing. Check the translucent reservoir for proper levels. A tow for overheated engine costs hundreds. The repair can cost thousands. Topping off fluids yourself costs maybe $30 a year. We'll conservatively estimate $200 yearly savings just by keeping fluids topped up and catching problems early. Let's get more advanced. Spark plugs. These create the spark that powers your car. Mechanics charge $200 to $400, mostly for labor. But on most 4-cylinder engines, the plugs are right on top, super easy to reach. Use a spark plug socket with extension to reach down and unscrew the old plug. Check the gap on the new plug with a feeler gauge to match your car's specs. $50 investment saves $150 to $350, plus improves gas mileage. Time for the most important safety system, brakes. Replacing brake pads is within your reach. Shops charge $250 to $500 per axle, but the parts themselves cost just $50 to $80 for quality pads. Unbolt the caliper, slide out old pads, compress the piston, install new pads. Very logical steps. The new, thicker pads will keep you and your family safe on the road. Save $300 per job. Even every 2 years, that's $150 annually. Nothing ruins a beautiful car like an ugly scratch from a shopping cart or keying. Body shops easily charge $300 to $500 for minor repairs, but you can get near-professional results in your driveway for less than a pizza costs. The fingernail test, if it doesn't catch, it's just clear coat damage and super easy to fix. Apply compound with circular motions. The scratch smooths out and no longer catches light. Like magic, the scratch vanishes. We'll call it $300 yearly savings in potential bodywork. My personal favorite. This feels like hacking your car's brain. Ever had the dreaded check engine light? Mechanics charge $100 to $150 just to diagnose the code. You can buy the exact same tool they use for as little as $30, an OBD2 scanner. Every car since 1996 has a standard OBD2 port under the dashboard. The scanner reads trouble codes like P0420 for catalytic converter issues. Type the code into Google with your car model. Instantly find hundreds of people with the same problem and solutions. This knowledge prevents overcharging and helps pinpoint problems early. Easily $300 yearly savings. Finally, your car's electrical heart, the battery. Dead batteries always happen at the worst moment. Calling for jump start or tow is expensive and time-consuming. Shops charge premium for new battery plus $50 to $100 for 10 minutes installation. The #1 battery killer is corrosion on terminals. This crusty buildup prevents proper charging. Clean with wire brush and terminal cleaner. Disconnect negative first, then positive. Reconnect positive first, then negative. Buy the same battery for $150 versus $250 at shops. Between extended life from cleaning and replacement savings, that's $100 yearly back in your pocket. There you have it, 9 simple, powerful hacks that save you a grand total of $2,720 a year, from oil changes and brake jobs to erasing scratches and talking to your car's computer. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart and self-reliant. You're building a bond with the incredible machine that gets you where you need to go. Turn automotive anxiety into empowerment and pride. That confidence is something no mechanic can sell you. Imagine what you could do with an extra $2,700. Vacation, savings, less stress. Start with one thing. Maybe air filters, they're super easy, and build from there. If these tips helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment with your own car repair hacks. Thanks for watching, and here's to fewer repair bills.